graph the composite function g of f of x. And by the way, that is how you read g parentheses f parentheses x parentheses parentheses. G of f of x. So before we can graph this function, we have to figure out what the value is. So I'm going to flip over here to my paper. And what's going to happen, first of all, is we're going to take f of x and we're going to fill in what f of x equals. And it might be nice if you can see both of these. So what f of x equals is it equals negative 2x. So instead of writing f of x, I'm going to write negative 2x. And once we've done that, we're going to take that value of 2x and we're going to put it back into the g function. By the way, the g function is what I have written up there, which is 1/2 x plus 3. So in other words, what's going to happen is we're going to take this value of 2x and we're going to replace this x with negative 2x. We're never going to write this x again. It is going to be replaced. So it becomes 1/2 times negative 2x plus 3. And then we're going to figure that out. So half times negative 2, or half of negative 2, is negative 1x plus 3. And this is what's going to be graphed. And in fact, I'm going to write it as y equals negative 1x plus 3. And what we can identify here is that our slope is negative 1. But slope, remember, is rise over run, so it's negative 1 over 1. And then our y-intercept is b equals 3. So I have some trouble when I have to do this on the iPad, but we will try to get that graphed on the iPad. And maybe we will, and maybe we won't. And what we just said here is that we had a point at 3. It's a little bit easier for me because there's our b, and then our slope is going to be down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1. I think that we will have another point right there, and then we can draw the line. Ooh, yeah, not working for me yet, because that's not the right line. We have to get that to go in there. I'm going to try that one more time. So we've got b is 3. I think our x-intercept is positive 3. And then I'll try one more time. Hit the line. Otherwise, it's easier to do this with the computer. I think I got it that time. There we go.